Hey y'all, it's Bear. Hey, look here. It's Tuesday. It's time to eat. I'm hungry. And it's time for a man meal. Well, I guess you ladies can eat it, but I say it's a man meal. I mean, we're talking sausage and potatoes, right? You know, I mean, come on. And not only that, but it's beer braised. And we got to represent South Carolina. So we're using the R.J. Rockefeller's Bellringer Double Pale Ale from Spartanburg, South Carolina. And little smokies, onion, parsley, little olive oil, some water, and I got a little red wine vinegar and olive oil, salt and pepper for a little dressing. So let's get to cooking. Yeah, let's see here. It says parsley to the side. It says potatoes to the side. Run a little olive oil to start browning off the sausage. Let's see, I need a knife. I need a knife. I need a knife. And we always got a knife in the pocket. There we go. All right, we got some onion. We need some heat. We need some heat to cook on. There we go. Start browning off some sausage. Step one in the beer braised sausage and potatoes. Daggone airplane. Yeah, I think we should just throw the onion in there and let them go together. Now, let me start chopping up some potato while that cooks. That smells good right there just by itself. Onions and sausage. Now, if you got suckered into one of those carb-free diets, you could always substitute some cabbage or some mushrooms in place of the potato. But I don't know what to tell you about the beer. Maybe a Michelob Ultra? Michelob Ultra. Yeah, it's not really beer though. But there you go. So was it 64? 64 calories? I don't remember. I don't drink that stuff. It's nasty. It's yellow water. Don't drink that. Alright, now we need about 4 ounces, give or take. Yeah, it's suitable for cooking. then just enough water to cover. And then we cover. And that's got to hang out for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes till the potatoes are done. Alright, we got about 3 more minutes on the cook time there. We're going to chop up some parsley to top this guy off with. Alright, so we've been in the pot for about 15 minutes now. Let's pull a potato and see how we're doing. Let's see, there's a big one. If it's done, all of them are done. Oh yeah, I think I'm calling those done. So we want to pull the potatoes out first. Alright, now what I've got here is 1 part red wine vinegar, 1 part olive oil, some salt and pepper, and a little dried parsley. And we're going to dress the potatoes. Now let's get that sausage and onion. Now my recipe says to let that reduce down and make that a sauce for the side, but we're not going to waste camp fuel. We're going to put a little bit in here. So there we go. There's our beer braised potatoes and sausage. And Cheesehead Chris, you can make yourself a cheese sauce for that if you want. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, man, that's good. Y'all got to do this at camp. This one here is a real winner. But really, how can you go wrong with sausage, potatoes, and beer? I mean, come on, right? Well, I'm going to eat, and look here, we'll see you on the trail.